Hey guys, so today we're talking about 11 credit card rookie mistakes and their easy fixes. I'm Andrew Wise with Lifetailored, and we teach you how to travel the world for free. I've been credit card hacking for the past 5 years and have over 2.4 million airline miles in my account and have flown to over 39 different destinations with my wife for free using points and miles. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss out on a 100K sign-up bonus, and follow us on Instagram if you want to see how far points and miles can take you at Lifetailored. So today we're talking about 11 credit card rookie mistakes and the easy way to fix those mistakes. So the first and arguably most obvious mistake people make is to ever carry a balance on a credit card. Carrying a balance means you pay interest, and interest is at 10, 15, 20% and is never going to work out in your favor. No matter how many points you get, you're never going to make enough money that carrying a balance makes sense. Now, in an ideal world, everybody has no debt, they didn't go to school, they didn't get college debt, they don't have a bankruptcy on their home, they didn't have a sinkhole where their house collapsed, and we have no balances. But this is a real world and people do have debt, they do have balances, and the way to fix this is there are tons of credit cards out there like the Chase Slate card that have a 0% balance transfer bonus. So basically what you want to do is, if you do have a balance on your credit card, find one of these credit cards, transfer the balance over there, and at least if you're carrying a balance, you're not going to pay any interest on it. So the second mistake people are making is they sometimes miss a credit card payment. So the easiest way to fix this is, as soon as you sign up for any credit card or for any of your existing credit cards, go in and set up auto payments. I pay off the entire balance every month and check that little box, but if you can't do that, make sure to at least pay the minimum on the credit card. Paying the minimum is going to accrue interest if you don't have 0%, but at least you're not going to get a negative score on your credit report. Third mistake people make are missing out on a bonus category spend opportunity. So what do I mean by that? So with the Amex Gold card, you get 4x points on dining. You also get 5x points from the Citi Prestige and 3x points from the Chase Sapphire Reserve. If you're not using one of these cards when you dine out, you're missing out on bonus points. Other great cards are the Amex Platinum card, which gets 5x points on travel, on flights booked on amextravel.com, and the Citi Prestige, which also gets 5x points on travel. The Amex Blue Cash Everyday card gets 3x points on grocery stores, and the Chase Freedom card will have bonus categories where you can get to 5x points on grocery stores, gas stations, and all sorts of other bonus categories. Now I want to let you guys know that I reply to every single comment down below that you guys leave, and I often create videos in response to your most popular questions. If you're thinking of signing up for any of these credit cards, use the link down below in the description or on lifetailored.com. It helps to support the channel, and it helps me be able to answer every single question you guys post and be a resource for you guys. Thanks in advance. So now we're getting to number 4, letting any missed payments or delinquencies sit on your credit report. So this is one of the mistakes that I was guilty of when I first got started. I went to annualcreditreport.com, which gets me a free credit report from all 3 credit bureaus once a year. You can do it yourself. The link is down below in the description, but basically what you want to do is go through your credit reports and see if there's any missed payments on there, any delinquencies, any bankruptcies, anybody who signed up for a credit card not in your name. And what you can do is, even if you did make those mistakes, you can apply to have those removed. You can make up an explanation for why it should be removed, show some documents proving that you did pay this or whatever may be the case, and you can actually get these removed. I got a late payment removed from my report, even though I accidentally forgot to pay the card because I didn't set up the auto pay on that account. So don't make this mistake, fix your credit report now. The number 5 mistake people are making is signing up for more than one card every 2 months. So when you do sign up for a credit card, your credit score is going to drop. And the more cards you sign up for, the more your credit score is going to drop. If you allow 2 months to go by before applying for a new card, your credit score should be able to rebound, and you're going to have the highest chance of getting that credit card approval. Now, if you have an 850 credit score or somewhere in the 800s, you can apply for a credit card every month and you probably have no problem. But if your score is in the 750 range and applying for a card might bring you down, it'll be a little harder to get the Amex Platinum, Chase Sapphire Reserve, Chase Ink Business Card, all of these sort of first class of travel cards. So in general, you want to apply for one card every 2 months. The 6th mistake people are making is not changing the due date on your credit cards. I typically get paid from my vendors on the 15th of every month. So I've set all my credit card due dates to be the 16th. Another alternative is to set it up to be on the 1st of every month. I don't like setting it on the 30th of every month because months like February only have 28 days and it just gets a little confusing. So think about, when are you getting your paychecks and when's the most opportune time to pay your credit card bills. You don't want your bills to be coming due at all sorts of random times throughout the month. Let's set all of your due dates on one specific date, and then that's timed up with when you get paid, so then you're always paying off these balances as quickly as possible. The seventh mistake people are making is getting lured in by a store credit card. I was there with you. I was in college and I signed up for like an Express card, a Macy's card, all sorts of cards that I thought, hey, I'm saving 50, 100 bucks off my purchase. How bad can this be? And the truth is, what happens when you sign up for a store credit card is you're taking the place of a real rewards credit card. So the Chase Sapphire Preferred gets 60,000 bonus points, which is the equivalent, even if you just redeem for cash back, of $600. That's $500 more than that Express credit card was ever gonna give me. Now the one thing is, the Chase Sapphire Preferred has a $95 annual fee. So even if you take that into account, that's $505 you're netting. So never sign up for a store credit card, always sign up for a rewards credit card. If you wanna find a list of the top sign-up bonuses going on right now, I've got a video you can check out. Number 8th mistake people are making is to ever get a cash advance on a credit card. Never ever put your credit card into an ATM machine. Not only do you get a fee for this, but you also get a huge interest rate on this. If you do want to get cash out of your credit card, something you can try is sending yourself money through PayPal or through Venmo or any of these other peer-to-peer sharing things. You can set up a separate account, and while this probably isn't something I advise, it's something I've heard of other people doing, and it's an alternative to a cash advance. So the 9th mistake people are making is going above 30% credit utilization. Now what does that mean? If your credit limit is $1,000 and you spend more than $300 on that card, it's gonna have a negative effect on your credit score. So say there's a scenario where you buy something for $1,000, you buy yourself a new laptop for work or for school. What you can do is, immediately after you make that purchase, log into the website and pay off the bill. You can pay down $700 of that balance to bring it down to the 30% or below, and that's gonna keep your credit score in the optimal position, and it's not gonna hurt your overall ability to get new credit cards. The 10th mistake people are making is closing out old accounts. My first credit card was a Citi World MasterCard I got in college. That's my oldest card. It's from 2004. I think I got a free t-shirt for signing up. Another bonus tip, don't sign up for any credit cards or you just get a free t-shirt. But I have that card open still because it shows my credit history. It shows that I've been paying off my debts for the past, what is 2004, 19, 15 years. So you want to keep these long extended credit histories open so that your credit score is as high as it can be. And the final and 11th tip is to never miss out on amazing sign-up bonuses. So this kind of goes into what I was talking about, subscribing to the channel, because I alert you whenever there's an amazing sign-up bonus out there. But when the Chase Sapphire Reserve came out, they offered a 100,000 point sign-up bonus. The current bonus is 50,000. So the timing of the best sign-up bonuses is typically when cards are new to the market or they're getting a refresh. But in general, you want to always make sure to sign up for the cards with the highest sign-up bonuses. Right now, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is doing 60,000 points, and I think that's one of the best cards out there for that $95 annual fee. So guys, now that you've learned how to fix all of these rookie credit card mistakes, keep watching because I'm gonna review all of the top credit cards right now and teach you how to travel the world for free by transferring your points and miles. Remember to smash the like button if you like this video and you want to see more of them, and subscribe and hit the bell so you see my life hack coming out this Monday. I can't wait to share with you guys. Remember, if you want to see how far points and miles can take you, follow us on Instagram at Lifetailored. Okay guys, see you on Monday.